Hello, this is my prototype. I create an app. Its meaning is to allow patients to take their medicine on time and to help them when they need it. What you'll see now is a mobile phone, a desktop. This is the icon of the app. I designed it. The name is On Time. Now I click it. It will jump to the enter interface. At this time, the user will waiting for 2 to 5 seconds before the enter the login interface. Now, we see the login interface of On Time. You can enter your account name right there and enter your password right there. Or you also can choose to scan your scenario card or ID card. If you are using On Time for the first time, you can click on the purple text below to sign up. Now we click it to sign up. At this time, the page will jump to the scan card page. At this time, you need to take out of your ID card or other something card like Snare card. You use the camera on the back of your phone like this and to scan it. And then the scanning box will show waiting instruction until the round check mark appear at the bottom to indicate that the scan is completed. At this time, the page will jump to let the user confirm whether the information scanned from the card is correct and fill the phone name. If there is an error, you can change it again by yourself. After confirmation, we can click the allow button below the Enter app. Now we click it. At this time, we saw a waiting interface. This incompleted dots will flash from the light to dark. It's the purple. This interactive model is let user understand the system is processing your requisition information. It can be completed in about 5 seconds. Then, what you see at this time is the main interface of On Time. When the user open or use this time in the future, they will also jump directly from the waiting interface to here. The 4 square we see now called the ring care, and we are used to add medicine time reminder. More ring care can be added on the bottom. All ring care will appear in the different color and irregularly cut square after being added. This is to allow user to better distinguish to remainder of the different drugs. At the bottom of the entire page are 4 major functions of the entire app. When you are on the different page, the page icon at the bottom will change from gray to the black. Now we click the ring care. We click the ring care to add a reminder. The page will jump to the edit page. Here you are at the time. Here you are at the time of each medicine to choose the turn on or turn off. The turn on is blue and the turn off is red, it's easy to see it. If you need to add the medicine multiple times a day, at this time you can click the add. And now you can see it have one more time to edit. You can add a new time and the system will automatically to tell you whether the time is at the AM or PM, and you also can turn on it or turn off it. And this position is the repeat. You can choose repeat every day or on which days of the week. The two spaces below are the full the drug name and full the dose. And also you can for something remind yourself, and that's all okay. After the filling in all the information, you will click the done in the upper right corner to save, or you also can click the cancel to cancel the notes you filled in. Now we click the done. The page will reappear and waiting for the interface for about 1 to 2 seconds to complete it. The waiting. This time is the blue. I like it. And at this time, we return to the main interface. We can see that the first blue ring center, ring care will display the name of the medicine you added and the remainder time. Wait until the specific time is reached, regardless of whether you are using any other app. Your phone page will force a full screen reminder to pop up like this. At this time, the screen will display all the reminder you filled it in. At this time, you have two options to close this page. The first one is click the green check mark. This means that you take the medicine immediately, or you also can click the red point. Your ring care will remember you again after 10 minutes, and the same full green reminder will pop on. Until you click the green tick. At this time, the app will jump to another page. This page will close with 2 seconds. This purpose is to improve the self-confidence and enthusiasm of the users, and make users more happy to fight the disease. The next function, we clicked it. It is a simple chat function. User can add up to 50 people for online communication. Here we'll display the name, and the last chat message. Users can add new users thought on the blue plus sign below. The most information part of the function is the emergency triangle button on the top. When users encounter some emergency situation, just click here to immediately notify the emergency contact that have been set up. Users can click the right citing button to cite multiple emergency contents. Now we click on the next function. Now click add function. Here you can search for the hospital you want to know about some search box at the top, the blue top. For example, now I type in a Ben Hospital. Some basic information about the Ben Hospital will appear on the page immediately. This is to factory the user to find a reliable hospital in the stranger places. Now we click another function. This is the last function. There will be the black. This function will show some basic information of the user displayed it here. The user can click the head portrait box to change the head portrait, and you also can change the name from the nickname at there. But there is your basic basic information from your card. Okay, this is the prototype of my app. Its name is On Time. Thank you for watching.